Welcome, I'm Teacher Justin. I'm discussing planes of symmetry of a regular base hexagonal prism. By the end of this lesson, the students should be able to determine plane symmetry. They should be also able to demonstrate planes of symmetry in a regular base hexagonal prism. Discussing plane symmetry, a two-dimensional figure has a line of symmetry along which the shape can be folded so that the two halves fit on each other. A three-dimensional object, however, has a plane of symmetry which is a flat 2D shape. This is what we call plane symmetry. Plane of symmetry. A plane of symmetry is an imaginary plane that divides an object into two mirror image halves. When an object has a plane of symmetry, one half of the object is the mirror image of the other half. That is to say, one half of the object is a reflection of the other half across that plane. Coming to the formula, the number of planes of symmetry of a regular or an irregular base prism is equal to the number of lines of symmetry in its base plus 1. Example, we are looking at regular base hexagonal prism whose base is a hexagon, a regular hexagon, whose lines of symmetry are 6, as you can see. Determining the number of planes of symmetry, we are saying we need to know the number of lines of symmetry. In this case, there are 6, then plus 1. And that will give us the number of planes of symmetry. So, this is our regular hexagonal prism in 3D view. And on our left here, this is the base. And we are able to see the base and the lines of symmetry in the 3D view. Let's now demonstrate the planes of symmetry that these lines of symmetry in the base will produce in the solid. Let's see the planes of symmetry. So we have 1 cutting from the base to the top, 2 from the base to the top, and 3 and 4 and 5 and finally 6. So far we have 6 planes of symmetry cutting from the base, which is a hexagon with 6 lines of symmetry, and therefore 6 planes of symmetry cutting from the bottom to the top. And where is the 7th one? The 7th one will be the plane of symmetry that will cut across the prism. So to cut right across the middle of this prism, and you can see this is the 7th plane of symmetry. So all in all, this our regular base hexagonal prism has 7 planes of symmetry. Like we said, 6 from the base to the top plus 1 in the middle. So generally, a regular base prism has the number of planes of symmetry equal to the number of lines of symmetry of the base plus 1, be it regular or regular. Thank you very much for watching.